Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, so we are graphing using X and Y intercepts. All right, first thing, this is called standard form, which is in the form A times X, and A is any number, plus B times Y, B is another number, equals C. In this case, A would be 2, B would be 1, and C would be 3. So, sometimes we get standard form, and so we have to be able to graph it. How many points do you need to graph? 2. All right, the way we do that is x-intercept and y-intercept. So here's one way to do it. So define the x-intercept. So x-intercept, all these points have y as 0. So I set y equal to 0. So let's solve it, plug 0 in here. So 2 times x plus 0 equals 4. And anything plus 0 is just itself. 2x equals 4. 2 times what is 4? Yeah, that's just 2. So x is 2, y is 0. So that's my x-intercept, 1, 2, right here. So that's where the graph is going to touch the x-axis right there. Cool. So we also need the y-intercept. And to find the y-intercept, the x equals 0. Because the x equals 0, so the y is going to equal something like this. All right, let's see. So x is 0, so that's 2 times 0 plus y equals 4. 2 times 0 is 0, so I can just get rid of this. 0 plus anything is just anything. 0 plus 10 is 10. 0 plus y is y. And then y equals 4. I don't have to do anything. Y equals 4. So x is 0, y is 4. That's x, that's y. X is 0, y is 4. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop, 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 pop. 0, 4. And here's my line. There it is. Boom. Excellent. And right here, this point right here is also on the line. So these are all the possibilities that actually make this true. So this is 1, 2, and that should also work. When x is 1, 2 times 1 plus y is 2, does that equal 4? Yeah, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Yeah, so any point on this line works to this equation, is a solution to that equation. There we go. And there's also a bunch of other ones too, right? Cool. Let's try this one. Ooh, negatives. This one's tough. All right. So, x-intercept, that would mean the y equals 0. So y equals 0. So negative 5x minus 2 times 0 equals 10. Okay. So negative 5x, this is 0, so I can just get rid of that. So divide by negative 5, not positive 5. X equals, negative 2. So negative 2 for x, 0 for y. Right here. 1, 2, negative 2x, 0 for y. Got it. All right, let's do the y-intercept. Let's get the y-intercept. The x equals 0. Yeah. So negative 5 times 0 minus 2y equals 10. So plug in 0 there for x, and I'm solving for y. Oh, this is 0. This is gone, but don't forget the negative. A lot of people forget that negative in front. That negative is still part of the negative 2y. Boom, equals 10. So divide by negative 2. Y equals, negative 5. So 0 for x, negative 5 for y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, negative 5. Boom. And there is all of the solutions to that. So this line represents all of the solutions to this. So any point here, even the ones with fractions and decimals, can fit in there for x and y and get you 10. There we go. All right. One more. Try it on your own. What's the x and y intercept in graph? Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So to find the x-intercept, y equals 0, So 5 times x minus 3 times 0 equals 30. 3 times 0 is 0, so you can get rid of that. So 5x equals 30. 5 times what is 30? That would be, 6. So x is 6, y is 0. That's x, that's y. X is 6, y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have y-intercept. We have the x equals 0. Okay. So we have x equals 0. Plug in here. 5 times 0 minus 3y equals 30. So this is 0. Don't forget the negative 3y again. Hopefully you didn't forget that. Divide by negative 3. Y equals 30 divided by negative 3 is, negative 10. So 0 for x, negative 10 for y. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All the way down here. Oh my goodness. 0, negative 10. Boom. And there is the line. Doot. Doot. There we go. So hopefully you got that. Good work. Keep it up. Nice job.